Power on the control panel. The van icon lets you adjust the internal heating temperature using the dial. Press the dial to set the heating level required. The thermometer icon lets you adjust the hot water setting to either hot, economy or boost modes. Press the dial to set the required mode. The next icon is the heating power source. You can choose from gas, Mix 1, which is gas and 4 amps of electricity, Mix 2, which is gas and 8 amps of electricity, EL1, which is 4 amps of electricity, EL2, which is 8 amps of electricity. Tap the dial to confirm your choice. The timer icon allows you to set start and stop times for your heating and water. Simply turn the dial to and click to set times for stop and start. If you have purchased the Truma iNet option, you can remotely control the heating and water of your motorhome from your smart device. The Truma iNet system can be purchased and installed retrospectively.